Welcome to the lesson on will and going to. In English, both are used to talk about the future, but they are not the same. Understanding the difference helps you sound natural and confident when you speak. In this lesson, you will learn how and when to use each form correctly, with simple examples and clear explanations. The word will is used when you decide to do something at the moment of speaking. It shows that the decision is made right now and not in the past. You also use will when making promises, offers, or quick decisions. It is common to use words like I think, probably, or maybe when using will. For example, I think I will call him later. Here, you decide to call while speaking, not before. Going to is used to talk about future plans or intentions that were decided before the moment of speaking. It means the plan already exists in your mind. You can also use going to for predictions when there is evidence. For example, I am going to start a new course next week. You already made this plan earlier, and you are simply talking about it now. Let us compare will and going to. When you say I think it will rain soon, you are predicting the future based on your opinion or feeling. But when you say look at those clouds, it is going to rain, you are making a prediction based on real evidence you can see. The difference is that will is about belief or decision in the moment, while going to is about a plan or a prediction based on facts. Use will when you make a decision while speaking, when you offer help, or when you promise something. Also use it for predictions without clear evidence. Use going to when you already have a plan or intention, or when you can see evidence that something will happen. In short, will is for quick decisions and mental predictions, and going to is for planned actions and visible proof. Let us hear some examples in real-life contexts. When you say, I will have the salad, please, you just made the decision at that moment. When you say, I am going to visit my parents this weekend, you already planned it earlier. If someone says, do not worry, I will help you, that is an offer or a promise. When someone says she is going to start a new job soon, that is a future plan which is already decided. Both will and going to can express predictions, but the reason behind the prediction changes which one you choose. For example, when you say I think she will get the job, you are simply expressing your opinion or belief. When you say she is definitely going to get the job, the interview went great, you are using going to because you have clear evidence. So remember, will is for beliefs or guesses, and going to is for predictions with proof. Now let's practice together. It is 8 o'clock and you decide in the moment, I will stay home tonight. When you look at dark clouds and say it is going to snow soon, you are predicting based on what you see. When you say she is going to start her new job next Monday, you talk about a planned action. And when you promise, do not worry, I will help you with that, you use will for support or a pledge. Keep practicing so you can choose the right one naturally.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.